Yes guys, welcome back, and it is your boy Chef André Davy, and today guys I'm here to deliver a special tea for the meals. Okay guys, so right here I have some ginger. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this ginger in smaller pieces. Okay, alright guys, here we go. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this directly in my pot. Okay guys, and right here I have some peanut. Okay, gonna put that in the pot. And right here guys I have some cloves, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add some cloves inside. Okay guys, right here some cloves. Okay, and to the pot guys you want to go ahead and add some water. Okay, okay, fantastic. And I'm just gonna go ahead and turn on my stove, and I'm gonna allow this to boil for 15 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cover. So just by this aroma in the house, all the girlfriends and all the wives should be smiling. Remember guys, this recipe is for the meals. Okay, a happy wife, a happy life. Okay, so this tea has been boiling for 15 minutes now guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and turn off the flame, and then go ahead and strain. Wow, kind of magic potion guys. And I'm just gonna go ahead and sweeten with organic honey. And guys, this one you want to consume 45 minutes before game time. Okay, wow, look how beautiful this is guys. Wow, this is fantastic guys. Go ahead and enjoy and make your wife or your girlfriend happy. Ooh la la. Wow, this is beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in another video pretty soon. It's your boy Chef André Davy. Goodbye.